Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to run Java in Visual Studio Code. First of all guys, if you didn't have installed Visual Studio Code yet, you just have to go to code.visualstudio.com on your browser and then download it from there. If this page doesn't open for you, just go ahead and type Visual Studio Code. Here we go. So here it is, and then click on this download button directly without going into the website. After that, just go ahead, this is the first method, which is through the process of installing the program, you will have to choose which language do you like. So we can choose from there Java. If you didn't choose it from there and you missed it, it's all good. What you'll have to do, open the software, which is from here, and then you just have to go into the fifth option, which is extension. If you don't have it, just click on Ctrl Shift X and it will be open for you. After that, this extension will be open, so all you need to do is search for Java. So let's search for Java. And basically, these are all the Java languages that you can install. So you can Java Run, Java Debugger, Java Language Support, Java Support, extension. There is a bunch of Java extensions that you can use. So for example, you want a Java language, you can just go, for example, to this one. And here you can just click and install it. So let's go and install it. And all you need to do now is wait a couple of seconds until the fully thing is installed in your PC. And just right after it finishes the installation, you will have your Java ready to be used in your Visual Studio Code. So you will be ready to use it and do whatever you'd like, and you will be ready to run Java on your Visual Studio Code. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually run Java in your Visual Studio Code. You just have to go to your extension and then search for it and then install it. And just like so you can now create new files and start your project using Java. So guys, thank you a lot for watching and see you in the next tutorial.